Well, who else hates motorway riding? It is the most boring thing going, isn't it? But this is where we cut off. We're cut off for Dundee. The other road goes to Edinburgh. Oh, look at that. Everything we looked for donkey's years. What is it? Desheville, Citroen 2cv. Lovely little things. Very expensive now, I think, to get them in good condition. Anyway, let's have a little look at it. Beautiful. Well, this is quite breathtaking, isn't it? Wee bridge. Yeah. Hope you're not scared of heights here. Concentrate. Oh dear. Absolutely stunning. Whoa! Any of you guys have been hit by a bird? That can't be nice for either party. Okay, back to the boring bit now. Flat. I'm boring. I really can't even be bothered going fast at this speed. It just buffers you all the time. Unless you're behind a big thing with a screen and whatever that you don't feel it, but no. This is just uncomfortable. Talk to you there, guys.